Hey guys, welcome back. So the last couple of years we've been walking our stretcher road picking up trash right around Earth Day. This year we couldn't get to it because of some construction going on in the roadway. So we're out here a couple weeks later, but we're doing it and the boys are using a scooter trying to get along, see how quickly we can get this done. So we have a few things to show you and some of the benefits that we're gonna have from this new construction in the road. Now, one of the reasons we like to do this in spring is, one, everything that was left behind by winter and the snow has all been uncovered, so it's easy to pick up, but also there's a lot less mosquitoes, especially from equipment left behind and trash left behind from them cutting back the marshland about 20 feet to make room for redoing the roadway here. Carrots. It's a carrot bag.
Whoever had that must love kids.
And this is what we got from the pile, roughly about 10 to 12 yards of mulch that came down from those trees. We had a neighbor of ours with a dump truck pick a couple loads up and drop them off for us. And the goal here is we're gonna start our weeding of the different areas around the garden and start top dressing all of the beds with this free mulch. Now, if you can see behind me, the hedges are going. And over the last couple of years, we started to notice that the hedges are starting to look really sickly, especially towards the end of the season. We believe that these were cotoneasters. There's a lot of weeds in this bed. They don't look great, and when we first moved in, they were over 10 feet tall, and we cut them all back, and they've regrown since then. So what we're gonna do is we're cutting it back, we're digging them all out. You can see I've trimmed them all back yesterday. We're not recording much in the way of dealing with this. What we will show you is the end result when we start planting it. In the meantime, I'm going to finish this out, dig them out, weed it all, and start moving this mulch into there, as well as starting a new bed area out front, weeding and moving all the mulch over to the side beds here and along the back as well. I have a lot of work to do obviously with this, so I'm going to start working on doing the weeding. There's not much to watch when it comes to doing that, so I'm going to leave you with that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.